Today I'm cooking a turkey breast in my toaster oven. Let's see how it comes out. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I was in the supermarket yesterday and noticed that they had a manager's special going on, and they were selling bone-in split turkey breasts for only 99 cents a pound. This turkey breast weighs almost 3 pounds, so I got it for less than $3, which is a great deal. So what I have here is the roasting pan that came with my toaster oven, and I put some heavy-duty aluminum foil along the bottom of it just to make cleanup a little bit easier. And I put some olive oil on the aluminum foil, just rubbed it in, so hopefully this turkey breast is not going to stick to it. Now, if I was going to add any seasonings to this turkey breast, I would add them now. Some people like to use a spice rub on it. Other people like to put garlic and onions and different kinds of spices. I am cooking this plain today because the vast majority of this will be for my pets to enjoy. And for my toaster oven, I have to cover this with aluminum foil. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Here it is covered in foil, and now I'm going to put it in my toaster oven, which I have had preheating at about 350 degrees. Here it is. I'm just going to put it in and turn it on. And the roasting pan that came with this toaster oven is like as big as you could possibly fit in this toaster oven. This is a vintage Black & Decker 6-slice toaster oven. So I'm going to set a timer for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back and check on it and see how it's doing. The turkey has been cooking for 1 hour, so let's see what's going on in here. I don't think it's done. It looks kind of pink over here. I'm going to put a thermometer in it. Yeah, we're only at like around 101 degrees. So let's cover this and let's continue to bake it. It's been another 35 minutes and the house is starting to smell like roasted turkey. So let's see what the temperature is now. Okay, it's definitely looking like it's cooked, but let's give it a try. Okay, we're not there yet. It's only at around 150, so we're getting there. Let's bake this for another 20 minutes. It's been another 20 minutes, but I just realized that I forgot to put the toaster oven on. Like, I shut it, but I forgot to put it on because the light's not on. Yep. All right, so let's cook this for another 20 minutes. It's been another 20 minutes, so let's see what's going on now. This time the oven was on. All right, we're just under what we need. We're at 158. So let's shut this. I think 10 more minutes, then we're done. It's been another 10 minutes. I really think this has to be done now because the aroma is incredible. Looks good. Let's try again. Making sure the thermometer is way in there. Yeah. We're at 165. So I'm just going to leave it like this so it'll just relax and rest a little bit before I cut into it. Here's the roasted turkey. It did not brown on top because of the aluminum foil. So if I wanted this to look nicely browned, I would have taken the aluminum foil off for, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes before it was done. Let's cut it this way and let's just see what's going on inside. It's looking juicy. I know I should have probably sliced it in this direction, but I just wanted to see if we could peek inside. Here's the turkey. The slice that I made just fell apart because it's just like so tender. So let's give it a try. That is super moist. I'm surprised at how moist that is. Really flavorful considering I didn't put anything on it. I can't believe how moist this is. This is better than the Thanksgiving turkeys that I've had for like the past 5 years. I mean, this is surprisingly really, really good. I think it's a combination of two things. I think it's a combination of having it wrapped in foil so like all of the juices stayed in, and also because toaster ovens tend to cook at a temperature that's a little bit lower than what they're usually set at. So this toaster oven was set at 350, but maybe it only cooked at like 325. Maybe that's why it took longer to cook. I don't know, but I'm really happy with how this came out. Like, I'm shocked at how good it is. And so that's how easy it is to roast a turkey breast in a toaster oven. And this turkey breast can easily feed 4 people. And if you could find one on sale for 99 cents a pound, it is a really cheap meal option. Just add some potatoes and a vegetable, maybe some cranberry sauce or applesauce, and you have a really traditional meal. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we could cook in this Black & Decker toaster oven. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.